Here I have Samsung Galaxy M34 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. Firstly, you have to turn your device off by holding down power key. Then connect it to USB cable from one side, from other side connect this cable to computer. And when the cable is connected, hold down power key plus volume up at the same time like this. And after the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option wipe cache partition. Then confirm by yes. And after you see the message cache wipe complete, select the first option reboot system now. And device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.